Dear student, we have already started a new chapter, Bill of Exchange, and some theoretical concept already we discussed during the online classes. And according to the Bill of Exchange, uh, when there will be the credit sale, that time the buyer can uh, make promise to the seller to pay a certain sum of money after a specified time. So when the money will be received by the seller, when the money will be received by the seller, a particular date, so that date is called due date. Suppose on 1st January you are selling the goods, and after 3 months you will get the money. So on which date you will get the money, that you have to find out, and accordingly you have to go to the drawee, and drawee will give you money. So there is some calculation how to find out that due date, that means the date of payment. So depending on the bill, that is after date and after side bill, we have to calculate the due date. How we have to calculate the due date? Today I am showing you some example. Already I have given this as study material. Now today I am explaining this one. Problem number 1, what I have written here: Amol due a bill of exchange on Bimal. So Amol due a bill. Amol means drawer and Bimal drawing for 3 months on 1st April 2020. Calculate due date. Calculate due date. No information mentioned here. That is whether the bill is after sight or after date. If there is no information, you have to assume that the bill is after date bill. You have to assume that the bill is after date bill. Now, in case of after date bill, the date of drawing will be the first date. That means from date of drawing you have to count the due date. Now, date of drawing, days, month, year. 1st April 2020. 1st April 2020. Term is 3 months. So below the month you write 3. Then 1st July 2020. That means 01/07/2020. According to the Negotiable Instrument Act, you will get another 3 days extra. So below the days you write the 3. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 07/2020. That means the 4th July 2020 will be the due date. So due date will be 4th July 2020. Understood? So this way, in case of the simple problem, you have to calculate the due date, and this is applicable in case of after date bill. This is applicable in case of after date bill. And in case of after side bill, on which date the drawee will sign, from that date you have to count. Next, another example I am showing you. Now number 2, you see, Amol due a bill of exchange on Bimal on 1st April 2020 for 90 days. Find the due date. So the amount will be payable after 90 days. Previously there was 3 months. Very simple way you can calculate, but here you have to find out the due date considering only 90 days, not in the month of in the terms of month, in terms of days. Now date of maturity you have to find out. The date of drawing, how? What is the date of drawing? 1st April 2020. 1st April 2020. Now in April, how many days? 30 days. 30 days if you give in April, then the date will be, due date will be the date will be 1st May 2020 after 30 days. In May 31 days are there. So 31 days if you give, then it will be 1st July 2020. 1st July 2020. Now altogether how many days you are giving here? 30, here 31. Altogether 61 days you are giving. 30 days plus 31 days. So 61 days already gone. Now how many days left? 29 days. So total 90 days. Here 30 plus 31 means 61. 61 plus 29, 90. So in June 29 days you have to give. Then 29 days if you give, then from 1st July, 1st June, then 29 days, that will be 30th June 2020. 30th June 2020. Then according to the act you will get grace days 3 days. So 30 plus 3, June 30. So that will be 3rd July 2020. 3rd July 2020. So due date will be 3rd July 2020. So this way you have to find out the due date if it is given in terms of days. Here 90 days. So you have to find out the due days after 90 days, and that you have to count from 1st April. So April, from 1st April, 30 days are there. So 30 days you are giving. Then what date you are getting? After 30 days you will get 1st May. Then in May 31 days. So 31 days if you give, then you will get the 1st June. Another 29 days you have, altogether 90 days you have to give. So 29 days if you give, then here you will get 30th June. Then another 3 days extra grace days. So that will be 3rd July 2020. So this way you have to find out the due date in case of number of days given, and in case of month given, then previous example you have to see. Next, another example you see. Amol due a bill on Bimal on 12th June. The date is 12th June 2020 for 2 months. Find the due date. Now, date of drawing 12th June 2020. Term is 2 months. That will be 12th August 2020. Grace days 3 days. Then 15 August 2020. 15 August 2020 will be the due date. But 15 August is national holiday. 15 August is national holiday. So if after calculation, if you find the due date is falls on a national holiday, then before that day, that is the 14th August. 14th August will be the due date. So due date will be 14th August. So up from the date of drawing you have to count in case of after date bill, and in case of after side bill you have to count from the date of acceptance. And similar way, if it is in terms of month, then this way you have to find out. If it is in terms of days, so previous problem number 2, that way you have to find out the actual due date you have to find out. After finding out actual due date, if you find that the due date falls on a national holiday, 26 January, 2nd October, 15th August, these are the national holiday. So if it is falls on national holiday, then it will be the previous day. Due date will be the previous day. That is 14th August in this case will be the due date. If after calculation, if you find the due date is the 26th January, then 25th January will be the due date. If you find 2nd October is the due date, according to the calculation, then 1st October will be the due date. Okay, so in case of national holiday, the previous day will be the due date. But if there is no national holiday, but government declares as holiday for due to some reason, then the next day will be the due date. The next day will be the due date. Suppose 15 August not a national holiday. For example, 15 August not a national holiday, and government declare for some reason to strike, or some reason is there, everything is closed. So in this case, the 16th August will be the due date. 16th August will be the due date, not the 14 August. In case of the national holiday, only the previous day, because national holiday known to everybody. But other days when the government will declare holiday, that is known not known to everybody, it will depend on certain event. So that is why the next day will be the due date. So this way you have to find out the due date. So be very careful, otherwise that when you have to pass the journal entries at the time of maturity or on maturity, if you cannot find the due date properly, then there will be the mistake in the date. So accordingly marks also will be deducted. So first of all, how you have to find out the due date? Based on the after date bill and after side bill. After date bill, from the date of drawing you have to count, and in case of after side bill, from the date of acceptance, on which date the drawee will sign on the bill, from that date you have to count. So this thing you have to practice proper way, and this will be applicable in all the problems. So thank you all today up to this. Next day again we will discuss some another topic. Thank you all.